Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as blood. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the branch of science that deals with the study of blood is called dash A. Pathology, B. Hematology, C. Neurology, D. Nephrology. In this question, the correct answer is B. Hematology. So hematology is that branch of science that deals with the study of blood, the functions of blood, the diseases of blood, and the solutions to blood diseases. A scientist that specializes in this field known as hematology is called a hematologist. This hematology is an important part of medicine. The next question says, the liquid portion of the blood is best described as dash A. Plasma, B. Enzyme, C. Hormone, D. Starch. In this question, the correct answer is A. Plasma. So plasma is the liquid part of the blood. It is the liquid portion of the blood sample. The next question says, which of the following has nucleus? A. Red blood cell, B. White blood cell, C. Platelets, D. Hydra. In this question, the correct answer is B. White blood cell. So there are different cells that make up the blood. There are different cells that are found in the blood. One of these cells is called the white blood cell, and studies have shown in hematology that the white blood cell contains nucleus, but nucleus is lacking in other cells. The next question says, the red pigment responsible for the red color of the blood is called dash A. Melanin, B. Hemoglobin, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is a compound that gives blood its red color. Scientists have discovered that this compound called hemoglobin is what is responsible for the red color of the blood, and this hemoglobin is found in the red blood cell. The next question says, the process whereby white blood cells are produced is called dash A. Leukopoiesis, B. Thrombopoiesis, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Leukopoiesis. So this leukopoiesis is the process that deals with production of white blood cells in the body. The next question says, the primary function of red blood cells in the body is dash A. Transportation of oxygen, B. Defense against diseases, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Transportation of oxygen. So the major function of red blood cell is that it helps in transporting oxygen from one part of the body to another. So the red blood cell helps in taking oxygen from different parts or to different parts of the body. The next question says, erythropoiesis occurs in the dash A. Bone marrow, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Ear. In this question, the correct answer is A. Bone marrow. The word erythropoiesis means production of red blood cells. So Production of red blood cells occurs in the bone marrow. The next question says, the blood cells responsible for defending the body against diseases is called dash. A. Erythrocytes. B. Leukocytes. C. Thrombocytes. D. Plasma. In this question, the correct answer is B. Leukocytes. So leukocytes are white blood cells. They are responsible for defending the body against diseases. The next question says, a colorless liquid in the lymphatic system that has similar composition to the tissue fluid but contains extra lymphocytes is best described as dash. A. Lymph. B. Nymph. C. Erythrocytes. D. Platelets. In this question, the correct answer is A. Lymph. So this lymph is a colorless liquid produced by the lymphatic system, but it contains extra lymphocytes. The white blood cells found in lymphatic system which ingest bacteria, viruses and dead cells to prevent diseases are called dash. A. Phagocytes. B. Erythrocytes. C. Thrombocytes. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Phagocytes. So these phagocytes are white blood cells produced in the lymphatic system, and they help in ingesting bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms or other harmful organisms that cause diseases. So when they arrest these harmful organisms that cause diseases, they will prevent the diseases they cause. The next question says, the following are the basic functions of blood except dash. A. Transportation of digested food. B. Reproduction. C. Protection of the body. D. Transportation of hormones. In this question, the correct answer is B. Reproduction. Generally, there are basic functions of blood. These functions are transportation of digested food from the small intestine to other parts of the body. The blood also helps in protection of the body. Blood also helps in transportation of hormones from one part of the body to another. All these things are the basic functions of the blood except reproduction. The next question says, which of the following is actively involved in preventing excessive loss of blood at injury? A. Red blood cell. B. White blood cell. C. Platelets. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is C. Platelet. So platelet is a blood cell that is actively involved in preventing excessive loss of blood at injury. This blood cell prevents excessive bleeding, because if someone sustains an injury, that individual can bleed to death, but these platelets prevent that excessive bleeding by ensuring that the blood does not leave, or the entire blood in the body does not leave the body. So if anything goes wrong in this cell called platelets, there will be an excessive bleeding even from a small injury. If today is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also drop questions or comments so that we will attend to that.